Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to every one of you guys. This is Coach Eman again. Pretty much today is Thursday. It's the 16th of November 2023. One more day before weekends, so hopefully everyone is excited. And right now, I just want to discuss to you guys a fundamental idea, basic idea of personal development. Okay? Kasi pag naririnig ng mayorya or majority yung salitang personal development, uh, para siyang tunog mayaman. Pero sa totoo niyan, tama po kayo, tunog mayaman po siya. Pero it appears to be napapanahon. Parang it's timely. Akmang-akma po siya para sa mga nangangarap at may mga pangarap na tulad mo at tulad ko. Okay? Kasi one time, merong nagtanong sa akin kung gaano ba kaimportante ang personal development para maging masaya ka at maging wealthy ka. Medyo challenging ang paksa na to dahil ang philosophy ko pagdating sa personal development ay it's an evolving and an ongoing process. It's an ongoing challenge na rin at yun nga, kailangan mo siyang ma-discover, okay? At matutunan on personal experiences on a personal level, ika nga. Pero obviously, pagdating sa personal development, lahat dapat na ito ay kailangang magsimula sa'yo. That is right. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, it has to start from you and from me. Sabi nga ng mentor ko na si Jim Rohn, income does not far exceed personal development. At sinabi pa niya na pag pinagsama-sama mo daw ang lahat ng salapi sa buong mundo at hatiin ito ng pantay sa lahat ng mga tao sa mundo, asahan mo, babalik at babalik din siya sa mga bulsa na kung saan nanggaling ang majority ng mga hinating salapi. Incredible, di po ba? Dahil according to him, again, ang tagumpay daw ay dapat inaakit at hindi hinahabol. Ang tagumpay daw ay naghahanap ng komportabling mahihimlayan. Kung kaya imbis daw na habulin mo ang tagumpay, according to him, you just simply need to work on yourself. Okay? And that's pretty much it. So there, that's personal development. Maliwanag? At isa sa papasukin mo na kapag papasukin mo ang karera, dapat halimbawa nag apply ka, no? Dapat mong mapagtanto na hindi mo dapat tinatanong kung ano ang makukuha mo. Dapat ang tamang tanong ay ano yung magiging ako? Okay? What am I to become? Yun dapat yung tanong. It's not supposed to be asking what you are getting paid here. The big question here is that what am I becoming? Yun ang mas importanteng tanong. Because true happiness is not contained on what you get, but it's what you become. Okay? It's what you become. Isa pa, parang maging above average ang result mo, kailangan mong maging above average you. And in order to have an above average result, kailangan mo ring magkaroon ng above average personality. Like above average smile, above average handshake, above average relational skills, above average commitment sa mga tao na makakasama mo, and above average skill set, whether it's building rapport, whether it's the skill set when it comes to sales, whether it's a skill set on how to close, whether it's a skill set on how to prospect. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang salitang character. Base sa dictionary, ang character is derived from the Greek word na ang salita ay chisel. In Tagalog, yung paet, yung ginagamit sa pag-sculpture. Kaya nga meron tayong lugar na Paete, Laguna bilang the wood carving capital ng Pilipinas. At kung makikita mo yung Paete, ang ginagawa nito ay alam mo yon, parang pakonti-konti mong hinuhulma, pakonti-konti mong binabalatan at hinuhugis ang isang slab ng kahoy. At habang hinuhulma mo yung kahoy, ay tinatanggal mo yung mga dumi, right? Yung mga impurities at mga parteng hindi kaaya-aya sa eskultura mong ginagawa. At yung transformation, yung changes, ay nagtatagal ng maraming buwan, maraming taon, hanggang makagawa ka ng isang eskulturang tinatawag na obra maestra. Okay? Or yung tinatawag na piece of work. Okay? Kaya character has to be chiseled out. It has to be chiseled out of the raw materials of yourself, just like a sculpture, how to create a statue, a perfect statue. And the raw materials are always there. Everything that happened to you, whether it's good or bad, is an opportunity to build your character. Maliwanag po ba? Amen. So, nais kong bigyan ng pansin na ang personal development mo or even yung character mo ay walang kinalaman ang ibang tao. Okay? Or even having the power to other people, or having the ability to seek favor from other people. Okay? Ito ay yung kung ano ka, okay? Yung hinulma ka ng panahon, pangit man 'yan o maganda. Kasi may mga temptations May mga allure, may mga irresistible charm na pwede mong ikadapa. Yung bang tinatawag na fall from grace. Okay? Marami na in the annals of history na no matter yung resolve of character ng isang tao, still, meron pa ring nagfo-fall from grace. Okay? Obvious example niyan, si King David, right? Of Israel. Kung saan pinapatay niya yung isa sa mga mandirigma niya para lang angkinin yung asawa niya. Tama? Si King Solomon, I mean, even if he's the wisest king who ever lived, he had his fall from grace pa rin. Okay? Meron pa nga mga pastors right? May mga miyembro pa ng mga ng kaparian. Tama po ba? Sa mundo ng negosyo, meron diyan initially maganda ang intention para makatulong sa kapwa, which end up being a Ponzi scheme or scam type of businesses like yung nabalitaan natin, yung Kappa Community Ministry International, yung Masamart, okay? At yung iba pang mga seemingly harmless na mga network marketing or multi-level marketing business that would just end up disappearing overnight or in broad daylight. Okay, maraming ganyan. Pero marami rin namang mga companies na talagang may credibility, who really established their name and who really have this you know um, impressive character that serve as their foundation para magtagal sila. Okay? I don't want to name few, but marami. So there, sa simula pa lang ng personal development, which mainly tackles on characters, as I've said earlier, is a long very long, strenuous, and enduring process na patuloy na magbibigay sa'yo ng mga ups and downs. But at the end of the day, ikaw ang huhulma nito sa sarili mo. And you better be ready all the time. Okay? So right there, personal development. Hopefully, it would build you on who you want to become. Okay? Hopefully, this would help you to be happy and wealthy. Okay? Hopefully, this basic idea on what personality development is about ay magsilbing liwanag. Okay? Magsilbing liwanag at maging gabay sa inyo in order for you to achieve what you wanna achieve in life, okay, in health, and on success and wellness. Peace and love. Magandang araw po muli, and you have a blessed day ahead of you.